guys, and today we'll be buying some toys and we'll be trying in the NMC Raptor. We finished customizing it, got a lift kit on it, but we're gonna feed Mowgli here, give him a little pet, and okay, gonna be on our way. But this is NMC 2022 Raptor. It's brand new. It's got a lift kit on it we put on. We got tow mirrors. But we'll be swapping it in today for a new truck, which we can customize a lot. Which is the good part, since usually there's lots of trucks you can't customize. And I want a truck I can customize. This has been a very nice truck, very durable. Almost more durable than the TLX, but not more than TLX. Just a little, almost better. But heading to a dealer, we're gonna trade a truck in, add the trailer, since like I said, we are gonna be picking up toys. More toys. We only have the ATV, which I'd consider a toy. The lawnmower, I would not say is a toy. But the truck we're going to be trading in is right here. It's a 2020 TLX 2020. It's brand new, plain stock. I believe it's a 4.2 liter. Extended cab. It's not a full cab. Well, it's not just single cab. You have a little space in behind, like a little slot. Probably couldn't fit a penny underneath, but everything's stock here. I didn't realize the mirror's full and you don't even need a button or anything. But the person said there's sandbag suspension in here in the front, so I need to find that. I think he said you have to turn the engine off. But yeah, we'll look at it later. But yes, it's a 2020, very nice truck. Gonna back it up here. It does roll lots of coal, as you can see. But the reason why we can't touch the trailer is because there's no hitch, which is a problem. But instead, I ordered a bed with it too, so we can tow with the truck. But it's right back here. It's a Trail Boss, so it's good on trails and everything. But now I got the sandbag suspension working. As you can see, it goes up and down in front. I like it all the way up in front, since I don't really like how it looks like angled down. It looks kind of ugly, in my opinion. We are going to be customizing this truck a lot, putting features, putting cool things on it, so it's not stock. At least this time we actually have a bed, unlike the last couple of times. But this was the year before the 3500 came out, so it's not as good as my TLX 3500, but it still is a very nice truck. But the toys we're going to be picking up, I believe, is at the bank parking lot, they said. Yeah, it's right there. I don't know why we're doing it in front of the bank, but we are. I don't think they'll mind if I just pull in here. But we'll leave the truck running. We don't really need to shut off, since it's gonna be pretty quick. Having this Lizard, the Beast they call it, since apparently it is a very good truck for off-roading. As you can already see, the suspension's pretty nice. But we're gonna go pick up this dirt buggy to rip in mud and dirt. That's a pretty nice. Got a dial right there. Nice steering wheel. This thing's almost better than the Beast. You know, it's just a little buggy. But we need to throw some straps on it, so stuff what's happened in the past. If you watch in the past FS19 homeowner videos happened, including slipping off, and getting destroyed. Now it's almost a squad truck, because it's, I'm gonna angle it down so it's not squatted. Perfect. I hate squad trucks, I'll destroy them. Like there. I was using the wrong B. There's LB and RB. We're gonna carefully back up here and hopefully not get hit by any cars. I don't think this person will mind. We just go on the line, And the beast is ready to slip off. It's not so much a beast, but we're gonna take this road back home. Don't slip off, don't slip off. Okay, there. Probably gonna throw some tow mirrors on this truck since the mirrors are kind of, they're awfully small, and I'm probably gonna be towing with this. But we're gonna pull in here with our new work truck. It's a pretty nice truck. Please don't fall off, please don't fall off. Did we lose the buggy? Okay, no, we solved the buggy. It just looks like it flew off back there since I didn't see it. And we missed our turn. We'll just make our turn right there. I didn't realize it had motion lights up. Oh, what am I doing? I need to put down the ramps. Okay, you do that. And why did that just come off? Okay, we're going to get this thing is not beast, it literally sucks already. Gonna back up, get the buggy off. We got some glass, so we do get some out, it doesn't come straight in my eyes. But we'll come in from the sides. Open the garage. So we can get the buggies in, the toys in. We'll park this behind the Banshee. I don't understand why the tires go out, like, so big. We're ginormous. But now we have to get what they say is a beast, even though it doesn't look like a beast. If it's already falling off the trailer when there's straps on it. And no, I'm not bad at strapping down stuff, trust me. Okay, yeah, we'll just park it right here. And then pet Mowgli. Or feed him. We'll do both. There he goes. Okay, we're gonna get the trailer off the truck. We'll put the trailer up. And park this in the garage. But we need to pull our trailer down here. About there, I'll just turn the truck off. But I'm pulling the garage here. It'd probably be better if we backed up. My turn signals are good on the truck. I'm gonna back it up here in the garage. We only need fold in the mirror since they're automatically folded on themselves. And that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.